Go up some more. Alright, hold on. Yeah. Almost there. I need.
Set this down. Give you a hand.
Yep. Almost. Okay. I should go take this shit off.
Alright, hey. Engine is in. Y'all started picking in process. But we stopped because this man right here had to restart it. And then that man right there helped me finish it up. Alright, from all of us here, y'all know what I'm saying? So, should be on the road next week. Hope I don't get a ticket.
Hey, you know what this means? You know what this means? It's the end of the year and both cars have engines in them.
Hey, I'm just keeping it real.
I'll take those.
Oh, he's stealing.